Hello Internet, I'm Scott, and this is a PLUGHITZ Live How-To. Today we're going to take a look at a product from our friends at Energizer Connect. This is the 5 gigahertz light fixture security camera. It's got PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom. It's got an ambient light built into it, so even though it plugs into a light socket, you don't have to lose the light from your lamp or sconce. It comes with everything you need to get started. And let's see how easy it is to get set up in the app. Here we have our light socket. So this screws into either an outdoor sconce, an indoor sconce, even a lamp in the house, if that's how you want to go. And then it can screw into this, which again is just an offset if you need it to be taller. Today, we don't need it to be taller. What we do need is the ability to plug this guy in and test it. So let's do that. We're going to start here by plugging the camera into our light fixture. I'm going to grab the phone. We're going to go into the Energizer app. From the home screen of the Energizer app, what you will do is you will hit the plus sign in the top right corner. That will bring up a menu. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to say Add Device. You'll have the ability to go through the automated process or the manual process. We are going to go through the manual process only in case you end up in a situation, you can hear that it's in pairing mode, only in case you end up in a situation where yours doesn't go automatically into pairing mode. So what we'll do is we'll click on Camera's Doorbell. It's going to give us a video on how this works. You might need to show a QR code to the camera. You might not. On the next screen, it will ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi. If you've connected before and asked it to save, it will stay in there. If you haven't, it will ask you to put in your information. We're going to hit Next. On the next screen, it will show the QR code, but we don't need it. You can hear that it's just made noise. It is actually in the pairing process right now. Most of the time, you don't actually need that QR code. I have actually never needed it in pairing one of their cameras. Once the pairing process is complete, you'll have the ability to say what it is, where it is, things like that. This, like I said, can be used inside, outside, kind of wherever you want, which is kind of cool. It is outdoor rated. All right, once you've got it paired, you have full control over the device. You have the ability to control the light, control the camera, pan, tilt, zoom, all of that. Set up the recording and that. You have playback, all the things that you have on the camera, plus all the things you have on the light all come in one UI, which is really nice. Now, obviously, we have not used this. You just saw us unbox it. We will be doing a full product review over the coming weeks, which you'll be able to see at PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. And then it'll be in the description once it's published. The link will be there as well. If you want to see other reviews, you can see them there. If you want to see other unboxed or how-to episodes, you can go to PLUGHITZlive.com/unboxed or PLUGHITZlive.com/how-to. And until next time, ciao.